OCTA Research Fellow Professor Guido David reported that from less than 4,000 cases on January 12, COVID-19 cases spiked to almost 20,000 yesterday in areas outside NCR. This is equivalent to 200% increase in 8 days. Professor David further explained this is somehow not surprising as Omicron has spread out like wildfire in other parts of the country. In Cebu City, David projected that new COVID-19 cases may peak at less than 1,000 cases. Meanwhile, in NCR, COVID-19 cases have decreased, and by February, it will even go down to below 1,000 per day.
Even by the end of the month, we're projecting, maybe just a little over 2,000 cases per day in the NCR. I mean, it peaked at around 80,000. By Valentine's Day, it could be at less than 1,000 cases, and by the end of February, it could be at around less than 500 cases. Again, these are very rough projections. We hope it can be used to guide some of our friends in the business sectors and even in the government.
Professor David added the decrease in new cases in the NCR is nearly as rapid in South Africa. To sustain the rapid increase, Professor David suggests that the alert levels should not be downgraded until NCR reaches moderate risk.
Downgrading to alert level at this time might not be advisable until the NCR reaches moderate risk, just to sustain the rapid decrease that we're seeing so that we could see those good numbers later in the months of February. Last year, we almost reached a baseline of about, I think, less than 100 cases per day in the NCR.
The Department of Health also observed the same situation in NCR, but some metrics have to be considered to conclude that NCR is already experiencing a downward trend in COVID-19 cases.
Base po dito sa obserbasyon na to, atin naman pong sinasabi na oo, bumabagal po ang pagtaas ng mga kaso. Meron po tayo nakikita na parang nagpa-plateau dito sa National Capital Region. But we do not only look at the number of cases. Kapag po tayo ay nag-aanalisa ng ating sitwasyon, tinitignan pa rin po natin yung iba po nating mga metrics na ginagamit. Katulad po ng positivity rate.
The DOH said that they have to ramp up the vaccination coverage in areas outside NCR to prevent rapid spread of Omicron variant transmission and save the vulnerable population from death and hospitalization. Aiko Miguel, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.